In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for budget tracking. By the end, you'll be able to record income and expenses, organize them clearly, and monitor totals with confidence. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in to your account. If you're new, create an account. If you already have one, just log in so we can build your budget. From the home screen, create a new base or choose a budget template. A template gets you moving faster, while a blank base gives you full control. Name it something clear like personal budget and open it to customize. Inside the base, create a table to hold both income and expenses. Think of each row as one transaction. Add fields for category, amount, date, and payment type. Set category and payment type as single select options to keep entries consistent. Choose a currency format for the amount field, and set the date field to your preferred format so filtering stays reliable. Now start entering your budget records and transactions. For each one, add a short description in the primary field. Pick a category, enter the amount, set the date, and choose the payment type you used. Keep categories meaningful, like rent, groceries, transportation, or salary, so your reporting stays clear and comparable month to month. With a few records in place, use filters or grouped views to organize your spending. Filter by a specific month or by payment type to narrow the list. Try grouping by category to see totals per category, or group by date to scan activity by week or month. The summary bar will display sums at the bottom and within each group, which is perfect for quick checks. If you need totals in a specific way, create formulas. Reference the amount field to compute the values you want to roll up. Then rely on the summary bar and grouped totals to see category and monthly sums. Keep formulas simple at first so they're easy to audit as your budget grows. Switch between grid and chart views to monitor your budget. Grid view is ideal for quick edits and bulk entry. Add a chart view to visualize spending by category or by month using the amount field, and adjust chart settings so your key categories stand out at a glance. Update expenses and income regularly, ideally weekly, so numbers stay accurate. Over time, review your spending and budget progress, compare actuals to expectations, and refine categories if they're too broad or too granular to keep your views clear and useful. That's it. Your Airtable budget is set up, easy to read, and ready to maintain as your needs change.